Hello, Matt here. Today, as I mentioned in the last video, it's race day. So let's go and check out the track, stick around, see what happens. So we will be driving the slalom race. This is where we start, and as I mentioned a billion times before, this is my first race, so there's a lot of shit to learn and to, well, get adapted to. For now, well, we are walking the track to see how it looks, what we need to do to try and find out the lines and everything. Worst part of it is we've set up the car yesterday. I'm not even sure of the car setup. It should rotate, well, a lot. Hopefully that will help. We'll see. Either way, first turn. There is a pretty big chicane there. Everything else is more or less full speed here. And this surface, I know this surface because I drive this road quite often. It's very, very slippery. And I don't have semi-slicks, I have regular road tires, Dunlop Sport Max or something. That over there is the ending. We've gone to the track. Hopefully I remembered something. Didn't do much filming because I'm trying to remember stuff because, again, it's my first race. Bad news, you guys. I finished the first run, practice run, and it's not that great because, yeah, I cannot film. I have a suction cup on the window and it's illegal, so I had to remove the GoPro. I have one run recorded, but it's all she wrote because I don't have proper mounts. So second bad news, we kind of messed up the alignment. I've opened the rear too much, so I don't really trust the rear end. Yeah, first run was bad. Unfortunately, we don't have any more training runs, so next one is, well, the chasing times. So hopefully I will not crash the car. Also, even though slalom should have speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour, right here we have a braking point into a snake, into left, right, you know what I mean. It's, I'm achieving with this car over 130 kilometers per hour. That's really fast for a slalom, and yeah, don't feel comfortable with that just yet.
Vozil sam trkačem.
Alright you guys, it's done. Mini almost survived. I almost lost the rear part of the exhaust, and at one point left window winder got stuck, so we pulled it out just so I can drive because the windows need to be closed for the run. Unfortunately, I'm not really happy because after the second run I was supposed to be fourth. It was a clean run. I'm pretty sure it was a clean run, but I got 2 seconds penalty for, I guess, clipping the cone. I don't know. And still 6th out of 17 cars in class, and as I mentioned, it's basically the heaviest and the least powerful car in the class. And the only one on road tires, Dunlop Sport Max on my car. Everyone else had at least semi-slicks. So yeah. And my first race at age of 36. I'm pretty happy with that. Would be even happier if I was fourth. First 3, they were a class of their own. They were like, I don't know, 2 or 3 seconds run faster. Especially the first one was like 5 seconds. And that car is... It's okay, I won't go into details about that, but okay, it is what it is. I'm waiting for official results and time to party. Alright you guys, it's the next day. So, here's what's up. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now, let me explain some stuff. First, these are the official times. While I was 6th, well, this car was actually 4th. And how is that? Well, Twingo, number 1 and 2 places. The same Twingo. And I don't really want to talk about this Twingo anymore. You saw the clip. 3rd and 4th, very fast 1.6 Clio, very good drivers. I think that car is still a bit out of reach for the Mini. But I don't know, maybe with decent tires and a bit better work from the driver, maybe we can even get there. But realistically, Civic, which is in front of me, is about equal. Again, a bit better driver, but the car, we should be there. We should be there. It's a 3rd gen Civic, if I'm not mistaken. So, he's a bit lighter. We have a bit more power, but it should be a nice competition. And yeah, I really want to make this competition. We still need to finish the AX, get ready for rally, and then I'll probably enter the AX into the slalom races. And I'm not sure I'll be the driver, or my co-driver, which is my brother, will be the driver for the slalom races. But I really want to get this car, well, a bit more stock, because you know we need to fix a bunch more things. We need to really fix the rear seats. Couldn't do that on the time we had. And I really need to get the headliner in, which I don't have anymore. But I'll take the one from the Black Mini and throw it in here. And we are then basically completely stock. I don't know, I have to check out the rules and see if there are any more things we need to fix. But you know the story. This car was supposed to be a track day car. It's not anymore. Now it needs to get back to stock. But I will make it just so we can race. Anyways, I'm rambling. Still very excited. It was a very fun day. Everything was awesome. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, share it, subscribe. Anything really helps. And you can always buy us a beer down there. Well, so we can go racing. Either way, well, as always, thank you for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye!